Hey, hi, I want to take you through an interesting feature that field teams can use to maximize their client visits on a day. The objective is, of course, to improve their productivity and efficiency. Now, imagine you're going to meet a client that is 40 kilometers away from your office or house. Now, I'm sure you don't want to travel all the way and meet only that one client and come back. You might as well meet other clients in the vicinity. But the challenge is, how do you easily find which are those accounts around this main account and how do you plan your visits? And that is why at HappSales, we've introduced this new feature called Visit Planning. Let me show how it works. Let's go to the menu here on the right hand side. I'm going into Visit Plan. Now let's assume we are on Tuesday and there is a meeting at Daimler on Friday at 3 p.m. So I know the account name. So when I'm searching here, I can either put the account name or the location. But in this case, since I know the account, I'm going to put in Daimler. Now when I write Daimler here, from the list of accounts, I can select Daimler. And I can also set the radius so that I can see which are the accounts within the 10-kilometer radius of Daimler. When I submit, what I see here is there are other accounts. Along with the address, I can also see how far they are from this main account Daimler. So 1.67 kilometers from Daimler, 1.83 kilometers from Daimler, so on and so forth. Now, if I come down, I can also get the same view on a map because that makes it a little easy to see how these accounts are and where are they placed. If I click on any of these icons here, I can also get to see the address as well as the kilometers from the main account, even in a map view. Now, since I know which are these accounts now around Daimler, what I can do is I can start calling into these clients today and let them know that I'm going to be there on Friday and I can start seeking their appointment for that day. And from this very screen, using this plus button here, I can then go ahead and directly start creating my activities. So I'll start creating these activities. I'll catch up, I'll write the details about the meetings, so on and so forth, and I'll keep saving them. Now, once I do that, and once I do that, when I go into the activities section, I will see that all these activities in my planned list, and therefore there is no way I can miss these meetings. And this is how I can maximize my day by meeting more number of accounts around that area where I'm going to. Now, there is a prerequisite for this to work. So what happens is every account needs to have a GPS coordinate mapped to it. So what we recommend is whenever you are at that customer location and when you are on this new account creation screen, what one can do is you can come into this last section here called account address details. Let's expand that. And in this target icon here, when you click on this, your address automatically gets picked up along with the pin code address as well as the GPS coordinates. So this makes it very accurate. Now, the reference point for creating all those nearby accounts, the distance, the location, everything is this GPS. Now, in case you're not at that account and still you want to capture it, you can obviously select the address on the map and do this. But hopefully you got an idea now how you can leverage this capability to maximize the number of accounts, visits that you want to plan for a day. Thank you so much.